Meet the all-new Stage 1 audio kit for select Polaris Ranger models. This all-in-one audio kit features all the Rockford Fosgate sound that you've come to expect, with easy installation, quick Bluetooth pairing, and right out of the box performance, so everything works just as it should. This kit literally installs in minutes, making it a must-have for any Ranger owner wanting to quickly add some sound. All right, let's jump into the all-new Stage 1 audio kit. It features a single enclosure that houses two 5¼ element ready speakers and our PMX1 source unit. Check out the new 5¼ speakers. They feature a full range coaxial design, which means solid mid-bass response and crisp high-end output. Each speaker is rated to handle 50 watts of power and designed element ready, so they're built to stand up to the off-road environment. So let's jump over to the source unit that powers the system. Here we have our new PMX1 source unit, which features a 2.3-inch wet bonded dot matrix display, so it's built rugged and it's also easy to read in any light, day or night. It also features Bluetooth connectivity, so it's easy to quickly connect your phone and get your playlist dialed in. The bottom line is, if you're looking for an all-in-one audio solution that's rugged enough to stand up to the off-road environment, that's easy to install with simple Bluetooth connectivity, then look no further.